In this video, we'll be going over how to upload files to the media library. There are two ways to upload your files. The first that we'll go over will be through your file manager, and the second will be through the exact page you want to display that file. So to get started, I'm logged in already, and I am jumping down to my file manager within my sample basic site. So open your Administer League Site menu and click Manage Files. Right at the very top, we have the Add a New File button. Select that, choose File or Browse, whichever button you have, so that will open your computer's File Explorer. Locate the file that you need to make use of within Milo and select Open and Next. And that has uploaded the file to Milo. We will make sure that that is in public local files so that it's publicly visible. And next, it has taken the computer file name, so you can rename that to whatever you want that to be. First question here is required that you answer. You need to be aware of the ownership of this image. If it was acquired from another website, please do make sure that you are taking a look at who the original author is if it is not original content from your league. By default, the option to show this item in the media library is selected. You can select no, but that item, so that item will be only visible to you in the media library, but that is not recommended for webmaster teams who might have to share use of different files. You can add different terms in the file description. This helps when you're coming back to search. And we'd recommend using other terms here. Again, in the related issues, this is another field that helps when going back to search. But if any of these related or issues are related to this file, please do add them there, because it not only helps you and your team, but it helps any other webmasters that might want to make use of this. And media tags are a required item, and again, they are very helpful with search. So please do at least have one media tag. You can have more. You definitely can have more. So once more, we are making sure we have a name, that we have permission to use this on our website, that it will be shown in the media library, and we have one media tag. Those are the required items. And we save. And that has gone straight to being available in the media library. So now let's jump back to the home page. And we are going to go through that process again, but go to the page I want that to display on, that file to display. So let's say that that file is going to be my membership form. And rather than using the online form, I'm going to use a PDF membership form. So I'm making my way to the join page where that form should display. I want it to be down here at the very bottom. So let's start a new draft. Once that loads up, I am going to find that same spot that I just pointed out. So it's right at the very bottom. I make sure that I have a clean line, and we are opening the media browser. It's the final icon in the toolbar. And this is a very familiar page. Once again, we have the upload screen. So open your computer's file explorer, find that file and select open. Hit next. We want the destination to stay as the public local files on our server. And again, you can rename this to whatever you'd like. Express your permission to use this document. You have the option to make that swap to show it in the media library or not. Add a couple of key terms in the file description. Relate any possible issues and select a minimum of 1 media tag and save. Because we are on the page, the content item, the media browser asks a couple more questions about the file. By default, we leave that as full content and submit. So it has dropped down a link to the file, to that PDF, and the link text is the file name that we just provided. You can also edit the text that appears. So by placing a cursor into the middle of that link, I just start typing away. Anything that I do not want, I can either delete or backspace. And let's go straight to save our changes. And checking that out, we have our quote unquote membership form.